Well, good afternoon. Julie here, and we're in Beatrice's garden in the woodland shade garden, and we have found a patch that is absolutely brilliantly sunny most of the day. So we're very lucky that her brother Larry has carved out this beautiful garden where we're going to plant our medicinal herbs and other fun things like cucumbers. Everybody likes a pickle, right? So we're doing cucumbers and tomatoes today, and we're going to be doing companion plants, the herbs around them. And the reason that we plant marigolds is because marigolds are excellent to deter the bad bugs. We don't want any bad bugs around. So if you're biodynamic or organic, you want to find as many little tricks that you can use so that you do not have to spray any bad stuff on your land, because it hurts the land, it hurts Mother Earth, and it hurts the human beings and all the little critters that live in there, good and bad. You want to keep the biodiversity alive in your soil. That microbe that lives in the soil is very important to the microbiome in the human being's gut. So you don't want to kill them, because that is how the nutrients is made in the dirt. The worms and the bugs and the other microbes eat all up things up, and then their excrement is part of the soil that feeds Mother Earth and all of the humans. It's just an absolute circle of life, and you have to get your mind around that and come along with us and plant a biodynamic / organic garden with Beatrice in her woodland shade garden. These are going to go in as companion plants to cucumbers and our other fun things that we're going to plant. Let's see if we can tell you what we're going to do. We're going to plant some lavender, which is a companion plant to your tomatoes, dill. I always want to say
Chamomile.
Chamomile, I say another word. Holy basil, which is Tulsi. If you're Indian, you usually call it Tulsi. And that's your Tulsi teas. Very, very healing. Holy basil is an adaptogen, which if you take just a few leaves a day and eat them, no more than 2, you will help reset your body to health. And then our basil. And then with the cucumbers, the nasturtium, which we have one floating around here somewhere, it really go good with the cucumbers and the tomatoes, and they're excellent on salads, and they're gorgeous, beautiful colors. Look at the seed packet, just gorgeous. So if you want to be impressive, you go out into your garden right before your dinner party, or even if it's just to impress your kids or your significant other or yourself. Love yourself. Pick these, put them on your salad, and eat them. They're so, so yummy. And the leaves are also really, really good and medicinal. I've taken the leaves and put a little yummy rice and spiciness in the leaves and rolled them up and made little yummies from them. You roll it up in the leaf. The leaf gets really big, about this big, if you're doing it right. And then you can make these beautiful hors d'oeuvres with the leaves, and they have a spicy flavor, kind of a peppery, spicy flavor, which is really good for your gut, helps your healthy stuff go on in your microbiome down there. And then Thai basil is another companion plant that goes really brilliantly with your cucumbers. And then borage, yes.
I think.
Yeah. Really, really good. And that borage is, I'm saying it wrong, but you see the spelling, you figure it out, guys. It's really, really good for healing, very medicinal. Look it up. We were looking it up yesterday to refresh our minds, because it's spring now and we have to come back into all of our knowledge about our gardening tricks and stuff to get things done right and be the best gardeners we can possibly be. We want to rival the master gardeners. Yeah, we want to be like them. So Anyway, that's your lesson for the day. So like, share, and follow for more gardening tips from Beatrice's Woodland Shade Garden. Thank you.